Are you eating raw carrot salad for hormone balance? There are many trends that are part of diet culture. And in this video, I'm going to explore the trend of carrot salad and help you decide whether or not you want to eat carrots or not. Hi there, my name is Tanya. I'm a dental hygienist turned holistic nutritionist who discovered health at every size through a very unique coaching opportunity at York University here in Toronto. Everything I create is to help you feel peace about food choices, your health, and your midlife body. So hit subscribe and hang out with me here on YouTube. I do my best to put out a video regularly, but sometimes I'm just tired. But I also have a podcast called The Fullness Podcast, so you can check that out below too. I want to help you tap into the emotional part of eating so that you can stop dieting and finally step into your fullest midlife. But I also like talking about trendy subjects like the carrot salad. If you're in perimenopause, it would be very tempting to pick up the raw carrot salad as a solution to excess estrogen. So is carrot salad really good for estrogen dominance and hormone balance? Maybe and maybe not. Unless you have an allergy to carrots, which is part of the Apiaceae family, eating carrot salad's not going to harm you. I mean, carrots are good for you, right? The thing that I do think is harmful is jumping from trend to trend in search of a magic bullet for things like weight loss and even solving hormone issues in menopause. There's so many factors to those. The one way for you to find out if raw carrot salad is helpful for you is to just try it. Just the act of increasing fiber may make you feel better. It might not just be the raw carrot salad. And in my last video where I made a simple carrot salad that's more for potluck than balancing hormones, I asked you, do you actually like carrots? That's important. You should be eating things that you love. Almost every wellness blog has a recipe for raw carrot salad, which stems from Dr. Ray Peat and his pro-metabolic diet. Dr. Ray Peat is a professor and a PhD and an author who's extensively studied and written about hormones for years. He has a PhD in biology, and the video here and accompanying blog post has no intention to compete with this gentleman's academic record or research. I mean, I can't. I'm merely just providing some extra thoughts and background to this trend of raw carrot salad. Not everything is right for everybody, especially if you hate the carrots. The pro-metabolic diet is also known as the bioenergetic diet, stemming from the theory that all diseases are rooted in how our cells make energy and use energy. And in this bioenergetic theory of health, the health of the body and being free of disease is all about cellular respiration and cellular energy. Put a note in the comments if you struggled in biology trying to learn about cellular respiration and cellular energy. Me! So this whole raw carrot salad thing is based on detoxification of estrogen through fiber. And Dr. Ray Peat claims that the carrots have long fibers that bind to estrogen in a better manner than other vegetables. Could I find a research article on that? Not yet. Not that it doesn't exist. And there's a lot of stuff to sift through when it comes to Dr. Ray Peat. So if you have one, post it in the comments. Let me know. I would love to see it. And then I'll amend this video and my blog post. He says the whole carrot is anti-stressing for the body, and that carrots have a stimulating effect on the intestine, and that with less fiber in the diet, estrogen increases because it's all reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. And this results in higher estrogen and lower thyroid hormones. Okay, also results in decreased progesterone. Both estrogen and progesterone are something that decreases through the menopause transition. And in turn, this can result in higher cortisol. So when there's enough fiber to bind with endotoxins, the toxins that happen in our body anyway, this prevents the broken down hormonal byproducts from being absorbed back into the bloodstream. Fiber does promote digestive health, motility, and it helps the health of your gut. It's eliminating those endotoxins, and those endotoxins do bind to the contents of the intestine and they go out through your poop. But does it have to be carrot fiber? Farm fresh. As I mentioned, I can't find a research article yet that says it has to be carrot fiber or describing the long fiber in carrots as opposed to something like an apple or spinach. There's plenty of foods that can supply fiber and help with your natural detoxification system through the liver, increase bile secretion, and support good gut bacteria. So basically, there's lots of options to keep you pooping, which is an important thing for your gut, for your health, and for your hormone balance. And when you think about the topic of hormone balance, our bodies are always fighting to stay in balance. So sometimes there's less balance. The combos of raw carrot salad variations out there are also endless, including mine. So if you want to make one and you want to try it, it's not going to harm you. While there are dietitian influencers out there that say that the raw carrot salad is BS, there's actually evidence that a raw carrot can be antimicrobial. Extracts of shredded carrots may have an antimicrobial effect on a range of foodborne microorganisms, and I have a study hooked up on my blog. Apparently, they're also antifungal. Who knew? The takeaway here is that one thing does not make you optimally healthy. Health is a byproduct of environment, attitudes, thoughts, yes, nutrition, but happiness, connection, and so much more, not just fructose and carrot salad. So stop eating things you don't like. I like carrots, but I also like carrot cake. That's my inner wisdom talking, telling me to eat things that I do like and take health information with a grain of salt. One of the things I want to help you develop is your inner wisdom too. And this is why I help you honor your hunger cues and understand your own food habits and patterns. I do this in my course, Mindless to Mindful, which you can check out below. And if you want to read more about carrot salad and Ray Peat, you can visit my blog, again, down below. Until next time.